Jam Fam family, the Jam Fam family, yeah. Jam Fam, come hang with me.
Hello, Wagwan. Big up yourself, whether you're there yard or you're there abroad. Welcome back to another episode of Life with the Jam Fam. Now, on this episode, we're going to be taking you on our leg of our holiday session where we decided that we were going to go towards the west. And so we're going to show you and share with you some of the adventures that we have, including our experience of going to the supermarket out of town in a different location. Road trip!
What's the big that him can decide where I go?
He stops at the mouth of the roundabout.
Exit the roundabout onto Queens Drive. Continue for 5 kilometers.
Jamaica.
Right now, in Kingston, Jamaica, it's 93 degrees Fahrenheit. Today, expect a high of 94 degrees.
Alexa's tired of you. Melting, oh my gosh. I'm going to take out my hair. But that means new hair loading. Yay! Good day, everyone. So we were trying to go to the beach today. We've had a little hiccup in the day, and now we are out at the supermarket. So we had planned on getting some shopping and then go to the beach. However, even though people are dressed, the weather is thinking otherwise. Let's show you. Lovely Montego Bay. Rain, rain, go away.
As well as one of the things that almost brought our holiday to a halt. Yes, almost. One of the things that no driver want to have happening is for them to have to be broken down at any point in time for whatever reason on the roadways. And though we were consciously aware that we had a tire that was slow leaking when we head out, we did not expect for it to go the way that it went. So in our drive and getting there, we ended up hitting a pothole that we didn't expect at the point where we hit it, and so that compounded our slow leak. And of course, we had a massive leak, so we had a punctured tire and we had to go and get that sorted, and we'll share that footage with you here. And of all the things to happen, we managed to have a slow leak tire that is fast leaking now, so we've got to come to the tire shop just to get it once over to see what's happening before we can continue on our holiday.
It's next to Rubis in Montego Bay. If you come here, ask for Domain.
It's near Montego
or
River.
Newman. Yeah, near Montego River. They're actually taking it nice.
Of course, like it always is, we are not going to let one little thing ruin our experience, because you know, in life there are always going to be things that are put there to try and create setbacks. It's all about how we respond to those things. And when people think that they can sabotage your journey, they too will try to see how they can bring you setbacks. So you need to just be conscious. Some of these setbacks happens naturally because things happen. Things are created and they wear and tear, and they can be broken at any point in time. And also, people can feel the need to try and see how they can sabotage your journey just because that's how people are. So of course, in fine style, we're not going to allow just a little setback to ruin our fun that we had planned for. And so we got the repair done as you've seen, and then we head out. And so at this point, the kids were desiring to go to the beach, as though they haven't had enough water play and beach thus far, but it's the experience that they're having and they want to go and have that experience. So of course we took them to a spot in Montego Bay where they can go to the beach at night, and because it's a lit up space and it's lovely and amazing, and so they were able to go there and have fun. Here is the footage for you. Finally, after much challenge and tire sorted, we managed to get them to the beach. You know what it is? You have to keep your promise. You make a promise to your children, you try your best to keep it. So we were insisting on keeping our promise, and so they'll get to come to the beach. Not as long as we would have if we hadn't had our difficulty, but at least they're getting to enjoy their holiday and get to come to the beach and do the activity we had for this afternoon. So there they are, having a good time in the water. Yeah. So this is where they are. You can see some of the lights over there on the pier. Is it? And Khalil is doing sand angels. And then all the way. So this is where we are. And that's the moonlight. Yep. Nice, nice, nice. But yep, they managed to get to do their activity, and that's grand. And somebody's over there contemplating if they should go take a dip. And now they decide that they're going to bury Khalil, and he's loving it, telling them put more sand. So Khalil, how's that feeling?
Oh! He's tickling.
They're tickling you.
What did you say?
Are you enjoying that? I think so too.
Did you even get the gun from the middle?
So what's the plan? What's the plan, Keisha and Khalil and Eliona? You're just lying there and they're burying you? Yeah. Okay.
We have to bury
The simple things that makes them happy.
Why you just... Oh, there's a cigarette.
And that's where we're near. So we're just outside from there. And near Airport Beach Hotel. So a moonlit night. An Afro day, and Khalil getting buried in the sand.
I'm going to record it.
Are we counting down the getting up?
We could. 3, 2, 1, go.
Woohoo! Khalil, you did it!
Cannonball.
You're going to need, that's it! Because the back of that head needs cleaning. That was some good fun, huh? Are we counting down to getting up?
We could.
3.
3, 2, 1, go.
Woohoo! Galel, you did it!
Cannonball.
You continue. That's it. The back of that head. Now it's another person's turn. So Eliona is getting her legs buried. Are you getting yours buried too, Keisha? Yeah? So I guess the girls are getting theirs buried now. Their legs. So what's the plan?
Get out of the sand.
Okay.
Get out and run into the water.
Okay. So you're going to get out then run into the water?
If we can get out,
Okay. What happens if you guys can't get out?
stay there for the rest of the night and you can drive past and pick us up for the next day.
Okay, so if you can't get out, you will sleep there for the night?
Yeah.
And we pick you up when we're going to our next activity tomorrow?
Yeah.
Oh, is that a consensus?
Yeah.
You all agree to that?
Yes. Yes.
And Kalel is shouting yes. For me, the evening, the bit that is making it a nice, relaxing evening for me is just that water rushing up to the coastline. Nice and soothing, relaxing.
Mommy, you're not going with your door? Like you said? Oh.
Not coming over there. Well, we kept up the end of bringing you guys here. Now I don't want to wet my foot now anymore. I'll save it for tomorrow's activity. And then see. Let me know when you guys are ready to come out because I want to see it. Ready? Counting down. 3. And
1.
let's go then. That looked very easy to get up. Let's see if it will be easy to wash off the sand. And off they go. So they get to come out as we promised and they get to cool down. So that's all great.
Wait, are we done?
We have a few more minutes and then we'll go. I'll check when I'm finished. I'll let you guys know how many more minutes. This is a lovely view. We've been wanting to do this from a while back and we didn't get to record it. So here it is now, lovely water cascading. And here is the group going adventuring. Hi Kalel. Hi Eliona. Hi Keisha. Hi Kamika. Hi Kalel. Okay, who wants to go for a dip? All in favor of going for a dip. I'm joking guys, nobody can. It's not for dipping. Okay, so let's go for the actual adventure then. Let's go, let's go. Adventure time. Experiencing the strip. Wow, that's tall, but this is elegant looking.
Hello. Who's cool? Mr. Cool. Let me see. Hello, good afternoon. It is indeed evening. Okay, so this is where they're at. This is so far. I agree, but so far. But I'm glad you think it's amazing. Halal is exploring. I do like the water features. That's what draws me. But it's a good way to wind down what was a hot and hectic day. We'll see what they're going to do. Okay, they don't do it. It's their different. Okay. They do what?
It's the same swipe card as in the UK.
Okay, so we'll go and find out about it then. So it's not tokens like the one in Mandeville. Eliona said she believes it's swipe card like the UK. Which is good. Oh, and they have the gift section as well, where you can redeem your points. That's lovely. Okay then, so let's go figure out what we're doing.
The Jam family. We're Irie, living the good life. We're royal, cruising through the West Indies, having fun, enjoying the good life. Jam family, the Jam family, yeah. Jam fam, come hang with me.
And so all in all, in spite of the setback, it all turned out brilliantly in the end. Thank you so much for spending this time with us here again today on this another episode of Life with the Jam Fam. We appreciate you and we value the time that you're spending as you watch the content that we're curating and sharing with you and giving you a hopefully new perspective of how to look at things that are happening in Jamaica and helping you to also see some of the experiences you yourself will have when you either decide to come and visit or you decide to return and make Jamaica your forever home. Bye for now, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one.